Sarah with the Heritage Automotive Group, and we are at Women Can Do today to inform girls throughout the state of Vermont about STEM in the automotive industry and show them what opportunities are available, what kind of resources we have.
Vermont Works for Women is an organization that works ultimately towards economic independence for women and girls, and we do that in a variety of ways. And so we give opportunities for young people to get power tools in their hands. They can talk to professionals in a wide range of fields. And so we're so excited to have people like Heritage here showing off the field of auto and such a wide range of things within that.
I started out in high school wanting to be part of the automotive program, and my dad was like, "You'll never find a job in that area," and look where I am now. As I've seen, there are so many people here, all kinds of different events, not just automotive, but there are so many things that women can do. So this is awesome.
Not only do young people generally not often be exposed to a wide range of career fields, but young women especially, I wish I'd had this opportunity to see if there was something that I really loved, that brought me joy, that allowed me to tap into more of my strengths than just the few things that I had kind of felt pigeonholed into.
We know that businesses that are more diverse are better performing companies. It's not only because it's the right thing to do, but also the bottom line for the company is that they're going to perform better the more diverse our teams can be. We really need more people in the field in general, and we would love to see more women in the field.